you have to understand that when अगर हम आए हैं एक birth लिए हैं, we have certain lessons to learn. Unless we learn that lesson, we won't be able to move out from that same karmic journey, karmic lesson. Every soul chooses its lessons to learn in a life birth, and once it's complete, then it goes.
So I don't know much about it, but I have heard about karmic
Right,
partner,
karmic
partner.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I have heard about these twin flames.
Right.
So I would like to know from you what is the difference between a karmic partner and a twin flame,
Twin flame.
and how do you meet your twin flame?
Okay, right.
Yeah.
How much ever I understand twin flame and karmic partners, I'll describe. Karmic partners are always those partners who are a replica of some void or emotional gap that you have with them, and they will always try to teach you that unlearned lesson that you have always been running away from. So they will either be a reflection of your father or your mother or your very close people, and they will try to make you vulnerable with the same lesson unless you learn the lesson. And you will be keeping on meeting karmic partners unless you take the charge of your own emotion and fill that emotional void. कि खुद के mother, खुद के father, खुद के friend, सब खुद बनो. तब जाके you will start vibrating at a higher frequency, where there comes a point and where you are healing, where you're balancing your Shiva and Shakti energy, feminine and masculine energy. You're opening up your heart chakra gets open.
Yeah.
Then you start experiencing that unconditional self-love. Then that love frequency resonates throughout the universe. That frequency goes back to the universe ki okay, I am okay to receive love and give love. That's receiving is as much important as giving. You talked about giving. That's a good point, that you are a giver. But even if you're not, your heart is blocked for receiving, that's also holding back. So universe will teach you those lessons where you will be receiving from people, and that journey will teach you and come to a point where you'll meet someone who is aligning with your own frequency, and they are also in the healing journey, and they're also receiving, they're also giving, and they're not expecting. So I say, when you don't need a person because you're complete in yourself, when you don't want a person because you don't want to objectify or possess them, but you consciously make a choice that I will stay with this person because I want to experience life to exponential form, and I want to grow together.
So your heart is like a portal only. That you have to break it open.
Exactly. A chakra.
Take this pain,
Exactly. You have to go through that pain.
Yeah.
Because if you understand the chakra, 7 chakra जो है, सिर्फ 3 जो चक्र होते मूलाधारा चक्र से, वो 3 चक्र में ही लोग फंसे रहते हैं. That is the reason they can never ever experience unconditional love. People tag it as love, but it's not love. It's attachment. It's maya. It's called moha. आपका कोई भी चीज से अगर डर है कि मेरे से चला जाएगा तो मैं नहीं रह पाऊंगा, that's called moha. And that's always designed in a way कि वो जाएगा आपसे. इसीलिए कोई भी चीज से मोह नहीं रखना है. Not even this podcast I'm telling you. अगर कल को
I am not actually.
No, I'm
doing
just
it for myself.
No, I'm
not
just,
at all.
Yeah, I'm just telling. अब मेरे पे मैं खुद का बोल रही हूँ. If this channel goes also, no, nothing. I'm happy. Still happy. I'm still wholesome. That I shouldn't be dependent on anything external.
Yeah.
That's when my happiness is free. That's when I am free as
That's
a
how
soul.
it becomes a free
Yeah,
exchange.
free exchange.
I don't want anything
Yeah.
from you. You don't want
No.
anything from me. It's a free exchange.
You are investing because you're consciously wanting. That's what. That's when you can actually give from a open heart. From an open heart, I don't need anything from you. I just want you to grow. You see, Buddha ने क्या बोला था? That
So
line.
I was thinking about that only.
Yeah.
Like how
Yeah.
Buddhist philosophy goes.
Buddhist philosophy. Yeah.
How Buddhist philosophy talks about attachment.
Attachment, detachment,
And detachment.
and love.
And nirodha, they say, cessation of your.
Right.
So It is like you're suffering.
Hmm.
You're dukha.
Dukha. Yeah.
आपका जो दुख है
Hmm.
उसका सिनोनिम सफरिंग नहीं है.
Suffering नहीं है, कभी नहीं है.
सफरिंग उसका मतलब ही नहीं है.
मतलब ही नहीं है.
उसका मतलब है अटैचमेंट.
Attachment. दुख सिर्फ attachment.
Yeah, that's very true actually.
Yeah.
I believe this.
Yeah, that's how. अगर आप
In psychology also reads it, you know, like attachment patterns
attachment
and all.
patterns, yeah. Attachment, detachment bonds are there.
Yeah.
So there are different attachment styles as well.
Hmm.
That बोलते हैं ना avoidant and anxious
Yeah.
attachment style.
That's right.
That's what karmic bond is about.
Hmm.
आप spiritual sense में देखो तो वो karmic partner है.
Wow.
अगर आप
Thank you
psychology
for enlightening me about
अगर
this
आप
karmic
psychology के बारे में देखो तो वो that is what. Suppose we are talking about. I'm being anxious. Okay, time हो रहा है मुझे जाना है. I'm an anxious soul. You're like detached. You're like avoidant. नहीं. I'm not caring. Oh, I'm here. So what happens? We always attract opposites. But
Hmm.
we need to understand when you'll meet your twin flame, they will be different from you. Miles apart, they will be very much into different domains, but anything it might be, you can be into any profession, but they'll feel homely.
They'll feel
They'll feel homely.
homely.
They'll feel you.
Hmm.
They'll feel very similar. The values, their groundedness, their roots will feel like you. You will never feel that you're talking to someone else. You feel like you're talking to oneself. That's when you realize, okay, she's the one.
Wow.
I mean, that's how I
And that's
see
how
it.
you can also keep looking for suitable therapists.
Yeah, that exactly.
When you feel like you're talking to yourself only.
Yeah, when you feel like
When
they
you're
are a
feeling
mirror.
connected to yourself only.
Yeah.
Somebody is being able to become a mirror.
Yeah, exactly.
Mirror to you.
Exactly. Same, even our partner, I would say, life partner is the biggest investment of our life.
Yesterday, few students were asking me, you know, I met a group of students
yeah.
from Jamia Millia University
Yeah.
last evening.
Mm.
So they were asking me how to find a suitable therapist.
Mm-hmm.
Who is a good therapist?
Mm-hmm.
So now I am getting the answer. I couldn't tell them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you feel like you're resonating with the frequency, you don't have to say what verbal होने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Just the vibe. When you're seeing that non-verbal atmosphere they can create. कि just simple gesture. Maybe it might be a glass of water, or might be a small smile, or might be a some food that they're giving. That homeliness. That's what people look. People never look for. You can never help people. I feel that. People say ना हमने heal कर
You're
दिया.
not supposed to actually.
You're not supposed to exactly. You're
Why
not.
do you want to help people?
Yeah, help क्यों ही करना? And the
Let them be, man.
Yeah, let them experience their own lessons. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't be a path breaker. अगर suppose someone comes to me and they're like मुझे कोई tonic दो मैं पी के ठीक हो जाऊँगा. I'd be seeing कि वो problem है. I would say I will guide you. And I know the solution and I will not say. Many people say it's ruthless. I said no, it's not ruthless. It's kind. Because I want you to go through that journey, that self journey. If you skip that and you just learn the lesson that I am telling, would you be able to understand life to the fullest? No. You would be conditioned. क्या निष्ठा ने बोला ये है. No, I know. I want you to define your own reflection. तुम जो देखोगे तुम वो बोलोगे. That's what my tagline says. कि mirror you. You define your reflection. You always see yourself. I am a mirror. I will show what you want to see. I will show the part that you want to see. You want to learn the lesson, I will show that. But I will never impose you or drag you कि यही करो. That's called conditioning. That's called like a stopping approach. That you're not experiencing life to the fullest. Liberation. हमने जो बात कही, decolonization. ये सब क्या है? These words are like parenting, decolonization. These are like reframing, reprogramming. This is called like आप खुद को मून बना दिए. आप पूरा जीरो से ब्लैक जब होता है ना पूरा इल्यूजन हो जाता है, चंद्र ग्रहण हो जाता है. ग्रहण से लेकर फिर फुल मून बनने तक आपको वो जर्नी लेना पड़ता है. That's called metamorphosis. That's called moon cycle and emotions are all about that. You have to until unless you become that black सिर्फ white
In
moon.
my village,
Yeah.
like these Sufi Babas,
Right.
with whom I am quite
Mhm.
quite close.
Quite
to,
close.
so they are very much connected to the nature.
Their nature. Yeah.
They can tell you about these stars,
Stars.
moon,
Moon.
you know. So that one person,
Mhm.
Suresh Baba from Baroli village, he
Mhm.
was telling me कि ये moon इतने दिन तक रहेगा. I mean, he has some calculation, you know.
Okay. Got
कि
it.
रोज ये दिन इतना मिनट घटेगा
Mhm.
या इतना मिनट बढ़ेगा.
Mhm.
दिन छोटे हो जाते हैं, फिर दिन बड़े हो जाते हैं.
Right. Right. Mhm.
So he has some very accurate
Calculations.
calculations which I am not being able to recall right now.
Mhm. That's okay.
तो ये जो मून आप बता रहे हो ना, इसको बोलते हैं कि वहाँ गांव में बोलते हैं नौचंदी.
Nauchandi.
नौचंदी का मतलब होता है कि सबसे पतला थिन जो मून होता है ना, दिस इज लाइक नौचंदी, लाइक फर्स्ट मून,
Yeah. First moon.
एंड देन इट कीप्स बिकमिंग बिगर
Bigger
एंड
and
बिगर एंड
bigger.
देन इट इज फुल वन डे.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
So-
what I call like source बनने तक आपको होना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
And वो source बनने के बाद
You're
भी.
giving me quite a good metaphor actually to be with.
And sir, source बनने के बाद भी you have to be grounded enough to start again a new journey.
Again, yeah.
To become more big source.
Hmm.
More big source.
It's not like oh I am full now.
Yeah, no. जब वो ego आएगा ना, भगवान तुम्हें
Then you
बोलेंगे-
will become your ego.
Yeah,
And
ego-
it takes a lot of energy to stay your ego.
Yeah.
You have to reduce yourself.
Yeah. You have to be like
So it's like, you know, freedom you were saying.
freedom, yeah.
That there can be one freedom that you want to be free from this body.
Yeah.
There can be one way of looking at it like you want to free from your mind.
Yeah.
And there can be another way, you know, in a very transcendental sort of a way that you want to become pure consciousness.
Pure consciousness.
Some energy which is transcendental.
Transcendental. That's very interesting. The
Yeah.
way like the universe is designed where
Going
our
back to singularity
yeah,
only.
singularity.
To zero only.
Zero, as we talked Surya. Like
Yeah.
from everything to nothing is the journey.
Yeah. True.
Everything to nothing. तो आपने हर जगह पे हर कुछ चीजें
So
सीख
it's
लिया.
like I want to become nothing.
Nothing. And
Like,
that nothing में सब कुछ है.
Like this guy Socrates,
Yeah.
जो बोलता है कि I know that I know nothing.
Yeah. What?
I know that I know nothing.
I know that I know
मुझे नहीं पता
nothing.
भाई, मुझसे मत पूछो कुछ भी.
हाँ.
A Sufi guy who is in his own meditation and doing some chanting some mantras inside. So all of these practices are like they are just keeping themselves close to the present moment,
Right.
not letting them lose in the past.
Lose into their
Not letting them
thoughts.
them take a very regressive
Yeah.
sort of a journey into
वो इन्फ्लुएंस
deterioration.
नहीं हो रहे, वो एक मोमेंट पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट हो गए. अगर आप साइंटिफिक वे में देखो
Yeah.
ना, that's called centrifugation.
So I was sharing you the Sufi song
The
I was
Sufi song,
listening
yeah.
yesterday, which was very interesting, and
Interesting.
it was something like जो कीली से लाग रहे उसका बाल भी बांका नहीं हो सकता है. तो कीली का मतलब होता है जो चक्की होती है, गाँव में आटा पीसते थे
राइट
ऐसे चला
ऐसे. हाँ.
तो उसके अंदर एक बीच में सेंटर पार्ट होता है,
सेंटर होता
बिंदु
है,
जो आप
बिंदु
बोलते
होता है, बिंदु. या
बिंदु होता है. तो जब अनाज उसमें पीसा जा रहा है ऐसे करके, तो जो उसमें गेहूं है
वो अंदर ही
वो
डाला
सब
जाता
पिसता
है.
जाता है.
पिसता जाता है.
और जो कीली जो सेंटर है जो उससे लाग रहे, तो कीली के साथ जो लगा रहता है वो बच जाता है, वो मरता नहीं है, उसका बाल भी बांका नहीं होता है. So it's like when you come back to your selfhood,
Your selfhood.
to your subjectivity, to your being, you are spiritually protected.
You're protected.
You will not then be killed.
You will never be killed.
So you will a very pure, alive
So I
energy
tell you,
only.
you will feel like you are being protected with a zone, divine zone, where a divine cap always protects you.
Yeah.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. I'll tell you, I've been met with different like incidents जहाँ पे there were possibilities कि I could have got hurt or I could have got like मेरे situation में बहुत लोग आके जा चुके हैं. I felt miserable. But I've been protected somewhere or the other. वो एक टच से जो है ना डेथ तक जाकर बच के आना. वो जो बोलते हैं ना कि I went to till the death and then an insight came which
So
stopped me.
I would like to talk about death,
Yeah.
but not now.
Okay, cool. We'll talk
Because
about
I
it.
am quite hungry for
For sure. We'll go and
So
we'll have some.
let's
Yeah.
take a closer.